Welcome to this video on VPC Fundamentals. In this tutorial, we'll explore virtual private cloud, which is a foundational concept in AWS networking. By the end of this session, you'll understand how to create and manage your own isolated network environment within the AWS cloud. A virtual private cloud, or VPC, is a logically isolated section of the AWS cloud where you can launch resources in a virtual network that you define. Think of it as your own private data center within AWS. With a VPC, you get complete control over your network configuration, you can design a custom network architecture, and you benefit from enhanced security through isolation. It's like having your own dedicated space in the cloud that no one else can access. Every VPC is built using 4 core components. First, CIDR blocks define the IP address range for your VPC. Second, subnets are logical subdivisions of your VPC that help organize resources. Third, the Internet Gateway provides a connection to the Internet for public-facing resources. And fourth, route tables contain the network traffic routing rules that determine how data flows within your VPC and to external networks. Let's understand IP addressing and CIDR notation. CIDR stands for classless interdomain routing. For example, 10.0.0.0/16 represents a VPC with an IP range from 10.0.0.0 to 10.0.255.255. This provides 65,536 total IP addresses. AWS allows VPC CIDR blocks ranging from /16 to /28. These addresses come from RFC 1918 private IP space, ensuring your resources remain secure. Subnets divide your VPC into smaller, manageable sections. There are 2 types, public subnets and private subnets. A public subnet has an Internet Gateway attached, includes a route to 0.0.0.0/0, and uses public IP addresses. This makes resources accessible from the Internet. In contrast, a private subnet has no direct Internet access, uses a NAT Gateway for outbound connections, and only uses private IP addresses. This keeps sensitive resources protected from direct Internet exposure. An Internet Gateway is a horizontally scaled, redundant, and highly available VPC component that allows communication between your VPC and the Internet. It's highly available by design, automatically scales to handle traffic, and each VPC can have only one Internet Gateway attached. The Internet Gateway supports bidirectional traffic, meaning it handles both incoming requests from the Internet and outgoing responses from your resources. Route tables contain rules that determine where network traffic is directed. Each route has a destination and a target. For example, the destination 10.0.0.0/16 with target local means traffic stays within the VPC. The destination 0.0.0.0/0 with target IGW-XXXXX means all other traffic goes to the Internet Gateway. This is how your VPC knows where to send different types of network traffic. Security groups are virtual firewalls that control inbound and outbound traffic at the instance level. They operate as stateful firewalls, meaning if you allow inbound traffic, the response is automatically allowed. Security groups deny all traffic by default, so you must explicitly create allow rules. Unlike network ACLs, security groups only support allow rules, not deny rules. This provides instance-level protection, acting as the first line of defense for your EC2 instances. Network ACLs, or Network Access Control Lists, provide an optional layer of security that acts as a firewall for controlling traffic in and out of subnets. Unlike security groups, network ACLs are stateless firewalls, meaning you must explicitly allow both inbound and outbound traffic. They are rule number-based, processing rules in order from lowest to highest. Network ACLs support both allow and deny rules, and they provide subnet-level protection, acting as a second layer of defense after security groups. A NAT Gateway enables instances in private subnets to connect to the Internet while preventing inbound connections from the Internet. This is essential for private resources that need to download updates or access external APIs. The NAT Gateway provides outbound internet access only, is fully managed by AWS so you don't need to maintain it, must be deployed in a public subnet, and blocks all inbound traffic from the internet. This keeps your private resources secure while still allowing necessary outbound connectivity.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.